Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Today we are going to be preparing Three Sisters Stew. Three Sisters Stew is a Native American dish. The three signifies corn, beans, and squash. Known as companion planting, the three are planted close together to help each other grow. The cornstalk supplies a trellis for the beanstalk to climb, and the beans add nitrogen to the soil. Finally, the large squash leaves provide cool shade and help deter weeds from growing. We're celebrating this phenomenon. So let's go take a look. The Native American legend of the Three Sisters is a story that teaches us that we are stronger together than apart. The Three Sisters Stew celebrates this lesson by combining the three crops into one nourishing meal. Simple ingredients and proof that good food always tells a story. This is Chef Matthew. Have fun cooking.